Lesson 5: The Overview of New Technology Development. The development of technology involves applying scientific methods to achieve goals in defense, commercial, and industrial sectors. In the acquisition process, the technology maturation and risk reduction TD phase presents prototype designs to mitigate technical risk, validate design, refine requirements, and ensure cost estimates. The manufacturing processes are scrutinized. Concurrently, numerous technology projects are ongoing, focusing on advancing concepts into mature technologies. These initiatives typically begin with concept, demonstrations, and progress through stages like prototyping. Today, information technology plays a crucial role in citizens' lives, encompassing computers, communications, digital information, and software. Its integration has occurred swiftly and without formal educational preparation for most people. Consequently, many users lack a comprehensive understanding of these tools, often feeling they underutilize them and desire more confidence and control. Expectations for information technology's benefits are high, though concerns exist about potential threats and societal ideals and economic interest. As of 2024, technological advancement continue to shape various sectors. Artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning are evolving, integrating into applications such as autonomous systems and natural language processing. Cybersecurity technologies are improving to address evolving threats, while quantum computing and biotechnology are advancing in fields like gene editing and renewable energy technologies.
As we continue about overview of new technological development, additionally new technological development refer to advance and innovation across various fields that significantly improve existing technologies or introduce entirely new capabilities, and these developments can transform industries, influence economies, and shape societies. So let's have the question is, what should everyone know about information technology in order to use it more effectively today and in the future? Because in today's era of technological transformation, continuous learning and adoption are key for IT professionals. Artificial intelligence or AI, blockchain and cloud computing are not just buzzword, and it's also not impossible that will control people because technology is development more and more. How has technology changed our lives? It has considerable change of the life, from communication and transport to healthcare and connectivity. Technology has enhanced our life for the better. Computer literacy has taken on a skilled connotation, implying proficiently with a few modern computer applications like word processing and email. In the first stage, literacy is an inadequate objective because it lacks the essential staying power. People who are proficient in information technology or fit may express themselves creatively, formulate knowledge, and synthesize new data. Fluency with information technology, as defined in this research, is a lifelong learning process in which people utilize what they know to adapt, to change, and acquire new knowledge in order to be more effective in using technology as they work and their personal lives. There's another question is, concept describe how and why information technology works as the benefits and drawbacks of the technology. Concepts serve as the foundation for grasping emerging information technology. Then higher level thinking is encapsulated in the context of information technology by intellectual capacity or the ability information tech- to apply information technology in complicated and persistent settings. Capabilities enable people to take use of the medium and deal with unforeseen and anticipated challenge as they arise. The ability to think abstractly about information and how to manipulate it is facilitated by intellectual capacities. And that's all. And thank you.